here's a cruiser. Check this out. 1959 Dodge Coronet 4-door sedan. 230 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, push button, power flight automatic transmission to be exact. Take a look at the front end on this. You don't see them like this anymore. That chrome and bright work. A lot of styling in these late 50s cars, no matter what brand you're really looking at. They're just flat out cool. Red exterior with some white highlights at the rear on those wings. Black and white interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle. Underside, engine bay, trunk, interior. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Nice polished hubcap or wheel cover, wide white wall radial tires. Technician did note those are date coded 2014, but they're in a nice shape. Make you aware of that. And paint has had one repaint according to the previous owner. And the previous owner of this vehicle has had it for the past 20 years approximately. And before that, it was his grandfather's. Paint shows well up on the roof line on the driver's side. It's a little thin. I'll kind of show you when we get around to that. But you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this passenger side. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, great looking car. And by imperfection, maybe a little nick or a little chip, what have you. There's that combination interior. Great look. How fun would this be for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows? Wipers work, radio works. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. And when I think of 59 model year, I think of the wings. Check this one out. Wings and taillights. Very cool and nostalgic. All right, a few things that are going to go along with this. It does have an extra exhaust manifold, spare belt, a couple hoses, some miscellaneous items I'll put back in the trunk, send it to the new owner. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Does have a new air filter in it. Alignment was recently done. Brakes are 95% in the front. Also has new brake hoses and master cylinder. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Tell you what, if you like these old Dodge or maybe that 50s era's car, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. There's that spot I was talking about where the paint's a little thin. Not going to stop you from enjoying this and driving it. This is one of those you roll into your local car shows at or local roll-ins. You're not going to have a bunch of them parked next to you, I'll tell you that. And you can get into the classic car hobby with this one without breaking the bank too. All right, let's take a look at this rear seating area. And it's roomier enough to take your friends with, grandkids with, family members. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes really in the seating surfaces. Headliner is in nice shape on this one. Door panels look good. Rubber flooring, decent shape, and again, seating surfaces up front. Mentioned that push button transmission. There they are. Great looking dash too. Look at the chrome and bright work on that. Odometer reads 53,122. I can't confirm or deny if that's original miles or not. It would not surprise me if that is original. Unfortunately, once the car becomes a certain age, it's not kept in the title anymore. It just gets marked exempt. A rear view mirror mounted on the dash. Speaking of dash, very cool dash. Let's fire it up. Pops right over. 230 cubic inches.
Mississippi State should be another win as well.
AM radio working, like I stated earlier, as well as the wipers. Sounds pretty good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Note that the one backup light is a little different lens on it. It's nothing crazy over the top with that exhaust with the inline six. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second because you guessed it. It's gonna take me, well, you know what? Maybe not. Let's try this. See if I can do her one-handed. This one might not be that bad. Look at that. Underside of the hood and engine bay. Alright, we got a little manifold exhaust leak, hence that other manifold that's going to be included with it. Battery disconnect over here. Batteries from, what we got there, March of 26. Yeah, new master cylinder up here. Running pretty smooth. That doesn't sound bad. Appears to be newer fuel pump down here too, but looking. We'll have Jason take it for a drive. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. See how he thinks it drives out. Stick around. 1959 Dodge Coronet 4-door sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a drive in a beautiful 59.
What's the difference? You get
Dodge
football
Coronet.
teams, right? Every football team with
There's
a couple
the
of
AM
hits
radio
in a couple
just
of years
warmed up.
Can be back in.
And that's working as it should. Amazing dash in this car. 59 Dodge Coronet. 59, some of the best styling, I'd say, between 57 and 59 on American cars. Just amazing, adventurous kind of styling. It's got the mirror mounted to the dash. The mirrors mounted to the fenders on the side. Speedometer, if you watch it rising, it's very cool. The temperature gauge showing a quarter of the way up. The fuel gauge showing full. The oil pressure is at 70 psi. That's right here. The amps down here are a little over half. That means they're charging. The wipers work on this car, as well as the radio. Cloth seating in this car. If it's not restored, I am amazed, but it looks original. Horn also working. This is a push button shift. Over to the left, we have drive, reverse, neutral, and a low gear push button shifting. In order to go, it was in neutral. I just pushed drive, started driving. Very smooth running car, large and ready for your whole family to take a nice big long road trip. What's cooler than huge tail fins Huge tail fins with taillights sticking way out the back. It's like an aircraft design. So cool. On that front end, there's not a whole lot of others that look like that. Nice shifts from the automatic transmission. Power steering making it easy to steer. Luxurious in the corners. And the kick down even working on the automatic transmission to get us back up to speed. Find all the pictures of this 59 Dodge Coronet at uniqueclassiccars.com.